Hi, welcome to My Cute Teens with Jar. Today we're going to draw Summer from Dragon Rescue Riders. So we're going to take our marker and follow along with me. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to start with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here and you can just follow along with me. So we're just going to draw a little curve here, and at the back I'm going to draw another curve. And then I'm going to connect it. So I'm going to make a nice round curvy line and then it goes back to the back. And on this side I'm going to do the same thing, but a flatter line. Now I'm just going to draw the pupil in here because she has cat-like pupils and a little light reflection. And now I'm going to do the same thing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use roughly the distance of this eye. So roughly this distance, and I'm going to make a mark for myself, and I'm just going to make a round line there, and I'm going to make a line there at the back. So I'm just going to draw sort of a flat curve there, and we're going to do the same thing here. I'm just going to bring it up and over, so wider to the front. They don't have to look exactly like each other. So we're going to just make the pupil, cat-like pupils, and a light reflection, and let's color in the eye. Now for the eyelashes. So I'm just going to draw a little line up, and on this side I'm going to draw another one as well. And then I'm going to draw the eyelashes right here, and I'm just going to make it a curve, and we're going to do the same with this one as well. A nice eyelash and right there in a curve. Now for the nostrils, or let's do part of the eye as well. There's some shadow here, so I'm just going to make a line. There we go. And on this side we're going to do the same thing, and I'm just going to start here at the back and I'm going to bring it over like this. And we draw these two ones, and then part of her face, we're just going to draw these two lines as well for some texture. Now for the nostrils. So it's two little nostrils right there. There's one, and you can draw the other one right here. And now I want to draw a smile. So what I'll do, just where this pupil begins, I'm just going to draw a little line like this. And on this side, I'm going to do the same thing as well. And now I'm going to draw the smile. Just going to connect these two lines. Like that. There we go. And then maybe let's make her mouth so that it's a bit open. And then of course a little tongue in there. And I'm going to color in both sides. There we go. Perfect. And now for the rest of her. So there's 3 horns on her head, and roughly here in the middle I'm just gonna draw a line like this, and then I'm just gonna bring it down, and I'm just gonna draw one more horn, and again one more horn, and I'll stop right there. Same thing on this side. There we go, and there we go, both sides of her head. And now we're going to draw her cheeks, and we make it nice and cute, nice and round, and then just connect these two lines to complete her face. There we go, that was easy. Now we're going to draw the neck. So the neck is going to be long. If I take my index and my thumb and I measure this and I bring it down, I have about roughly here. So I think I'm going to bring this head about this length, so, or the neck, sorry, and then I'm just going to draw a straight line down there, and you'll see it's about here at the beginning of the pupil or the end of the pupil. And I'm going to measure the same right here, and I'm just going to draw the line down as well. And when I reach this place, what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw the shoulders of Summer like a tear shape. I'm just going to draw sort of a half tear shape, and on this side I'm going to do the same, a half tear shape. Now I want to complete the shoulder, so I'm going to start here because I'm just bringing some texture into a neck area. Then I'm going to make a tear shape as well. I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm just going to draw a line down, and I'm going to make a tear shape as well. Because Summer, the color of Summer is green, and it will be here, and this middle color will be yellow. Alright, now for the front legs. What I do, I will start with the outside of the front leg, and I'm just going to bring a line that's going to go out, and I'm just going to bring another line that goes out. They don't have to be perfect, don't worry about that. And then from here, that's the elbow area, and then I will draw a straight line down, and here a straight line down. You see, I put a little bit of a curve in there, and now I'm going to draw the inside of the leg. So I make a curvy line, and look, I'm bringing this a bit lower down at an angle. I'm going to bring this down at an angle like that as well, and I make it nice and round. Then I draw a straight, not straight line, but a skew line out, so it goes out a little bit, the front legs. Now from here, I'm going to draw the foot. The first thing, I want to fold here, so I'm just going to draw a line like this, and I'm going to stop. And then I'm going to draw another line, and I'm going to go there, and I'm going to stop. Let's do it the same on this side as well. So a line, another line, and we stop right there. And now I'm going to draw 3 toes. 1, 2, 3. And then I have 3 toes, and I'm going to connect the skin between the toes like this. And now I'm going to complete the foot. Same thing, I'm going to draw a line up. I'm not going to touch that line, and then I'm going to draw another line up, so I have a fold there. Same thing this side, 3 toes. 1, 2, 3. There we go. And we're going to connect the skin between the toes. And the side of the foot, we're going to make a fold there like this. And there we go, there's the front feet. I want to draw the belly because Summer is sitting, so there's the belly. And then Summer has a belt around her waist. So I'm first going to draw a buckle, a belt buckle right there. Another one here, just the inside of the buckle. And then I'm going to draw the belt that curves around her belly. There we go, there's one strap, and there's the other strap, and it goes around there. Now I'm going to draw the hind legs. So I'm going to draw a toe, and this side I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to draw another toe there, and I'm skin between the toes, and of course, as you know, the other toes is behind the front feet. And now for the foot, with a fold in it. Same thing here, with a fold in it. And now I'm going to draw the hind leg. So roughly around about here, I'm going to draw a leg like this. That's the hind leg. And here, let's do the same. There we go. And don't worry, they don't have to look the same. And then maybe just the back. So there's the back of Summer's body also. That's connecting with hind legs. Right, wings. Wings for Summer. So on the shoulder, I'm going to draw a straight line. And then again, I'm going to draw a line there. Let's do the same with this side. A straight line, and then a line there. So this is going to be a bit more tricky. I'm going to start here. I'm going to draw a straight line down, and then I'm going to draw another straight line down, and I'm going to connect it like that with a round line. And then let's do the same thing. Straight line, on top of that another straight line, and connect it. You see, this one is shorter. Now we're going to draw even shorter one. Straight line, another straight line, and you see it's shorter, and then a last one, a straight line. Now what I want to do here, I'm going to draw a curve around, and I'm going to draw a line right there. And now I'm just going to complete this, and look, there's a wing. Now the arm of the wing, there we go, and the bottom of the wing as well, like that. And look, we have one wing. So let's do the same on the other side. I'm going to start up here. It's a bit tricky, and I'm going to draw a straight line down like this. Good. Again, a line down. There we go. On this side, so we're going to draw 4 of these bones, or whatever we want to call this. There we go. I just want to connect it there. Another straight line. Bring it back. Right there. And as you see, every single one is shorter. And I'm just going to bring the line back and take it over and connect it. Great. Now here I'm going to draw the arm of the wing as well. There we go, and that's the last section of the wing. And then we're going to just finish the wing with these pieces of skin. Great, that's beautiful. Last but not least, we're going to draw the tail. So let's begin. The tail then. I'm going to draw something like a weird U shape, and I'm just going to make it a bit longer, so something like this. And then I'm going to make it round, and I'm going to go back up to the hind legs. This is the tail. Now on the tail there's a flap. So I'm going to draw this. This is sort of it looks like a leafy shape, like this. And I'm just going to bring it around like that. And then there we go. Just a few interesting lines in here. And we're going to finish the tail right here and at the bottom. There we go. And there's summer. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me, and please leave me a comment if you want me to draw something else. I'll be more than happy to. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.